I'm always looking for ideas to make more passive income using print on demand, but I'm also a busy person, so one of the best times for me to do it is when I'm working out, in between exercises when I'm resting. I go on my phone and look for ideas. I got inspired and came across something one day that I thought would make a good t-shirt. I saw the opportunity on social media because someone posted a simple quote which I thought would look good and sell well on a t-shirt. In fact, someone in that discussion literally said if that was on a t-shirt, I would buy it. I quickly checked Redbubble, it wasn't on there, and I stopped my workout to put the quote on a t-shirt. It was a simple text-based design. It took less than 5 minutes to make. Literally typed it up, saved it in the right format, and uploaded it to Redbubble. I then used the opportunity to post a link in response to that person, hoping that they would buy it, and got on with my workout, keeping my fingers crossed and secretly hoping that when I'd finished, I'd have loads of sales. When I'd finished my workout, I refreshed the page to find that nothing had happened, not even any views. I checked again the next day, nothing, and then I moved on with my life. 3 months went by and I still hadn't had any sales at all, when suddenly I got an email telling me someone had bought a sticker of the design. I thought back to that evening when I made the design on a whim, thinking it'd be popular, and this was my reward for breaking off from my workout, 60 cents for a sticker. But as the weeks and then months went by, I got more and more sales on that design, to the point where I was getting multiple emails every single day telling me I'd made a sale. Not just stickers either. T-shirts, hoodies, prints, everything. Since I uploaded that design, it's been about 1.5 years, but in that time I've earned roughly $5,000 in profit, and it's become one of the best selling uploads that I've got. My conclusion then, and the message that I want you to take away from this, is that 1, you never know how successful a design's going to be. 2, you don't need to be an artistic genius to make a decent amount of passive income using print on demand. And 3, if at first you don't succeed, just move on to something else. The design will always be there and it might pick up traction later. This isn't a one-off thing. This has happened multiple times to me where I've thought that I've failed and actually it's turned out to be a really good seller. 60 cents here, $2 there, might not seem like a lot of money, but that does quickly build up. And even if it takes you 100 attempts to find that one success, it'll be worth it and you can enjoy that passive income for months and hopefully years to come. The next video I'm going to make will be about how people with no artistic skill or even computer skills can be successful with passive income using print on demand. So make sure you subscribe for more of that. I'll be posting a new video every single week. The Passive Owl Facebook community has got 150 people in there right now, and we're all helping each other become successful. So make sure you join there, link in the description. I've also started a website which I'll be using to document my goal of doubling my passive income in 2018. Link also in the description. See you in a future video.